So my hair is already like pre-sectioned off. I've sectioned the front from the back. I am doing some mini braids today. I wanted to quickly give you all a tutorial on my techniques for how I plait / braid my hair. So we're gonna start with our first section. My right hand is gonna come over my head like so, okay? And my left hand is gonna stay right here. I'm taking my section and separating it into 3. Okay, one section between my middle finger and my thumb on this side, and my index finger as well. My index finger is gonna be my guide or my navigator in this situation. The furthest piece is between my middle finger, and the middle piece is being held by my index and my thumb. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna use my index on my right hand, which is my navigator, to pull this one. Then we're gonna switch. The furthest piece becomes the middle. So basically what you're doing is you're alternating between which side gets to be the middle piece, okay? Okay. And I know my hand switched position just now. That's just to get me a better angle so I can continue to do my plait all the way down. I'm gonna explain it a little bit better. Just give me a second. Give me a second, okay? And of course, I'm twirling on the ends. So, this is my section here. I am gonna separate it into 3 different sections. We have our left piece, we have our right piece, and we have our middle piece, okay? So it doesn't matter if you're starting off with your middle piece in your left hand or if you're starting it off in your right hand. So I'm gonna grab the piece that's in my right hand to bring it over the middle piece, and the middle piece becomes the right piece, okay? And then I'm gonna grab the left piece to bring it over, and it becomes the middle piece. So basically this is what we're doing. We're just alternating between pieces. So I'm using my index finger as a navigator to pull the right piece over the middle piece, and then I'm bringing the left piece over what was once that right piece, and that right piece is now the left side. You see what I mean? So we're just going over and just alternating between which pieces becomes the middle piece. So it's like a revolving door. And when I switch hands, it's the same thing. I'm just bringing the left piece to the middle, then the right piece to the middle, left piece to the middle, right piece to the middle. That's kind of how I can explain it. That's the best way I can explain it, okay? And then I'm gonna twirl the ends like this. So if you saw my how to twist tutorial, how to 2-strand twist, my hands, when I change the position, they're in the same position that it would be if I was doing a twist, okay? The only difference is I'm using 3 strands or 3 sections instead of 2. So let's see if we could do this again. It really depends on you and the positioning of your own fingers. So you have to do what's comfortable to you. So let's try again. So we're separating into 3 pieces. Okay. We have our right piece, left piece, and middle piece. We'll bring that left piece over, then we'll bring the right piece over. Left piece over, right piece over, left piece over, right piece over. So basically, it's just alternating. Left piece over, right piece over. And the middle is just acting as like the bridge that you have to get over and under. And then when I switch, we have the middle piece between my middle finger and on top of my index, and then we bring it over. So this is the left piece, this is the middle piece. It's going under the right piece, and the right piece becomes the middle, the left piece becomes the right, and then you repeat that like this. And then when it gets to the end, I just curl it. Okay, like this. So I'm gonna slow that down so you can see what I'm doing. So this is how my hair came out with the full plaits / braids. I hope the tutorial was helpful. I do have a shorter video posted here. It's in a playlist that I'm going to also attach at the end of this video that you can go watch if this tutorial did not really make sense, because I feel like I did a better job when I posted the tutorial to shorts a few months back. But I really like how this looks. If you want to see how it ages, subscribe to the channel because that will be uploaded as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching. This video is part of a series. I am going to be posting 2 more tutorials, one on how to flat twist and the other on how to cornrows. So that if that's something that you want to see, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. As always, I will see you next week. Bye.